So in exercise 2.4, first question, find the next three terms of the following. First part 8, 24, 72 till infinity. Second part 5, 1, minus 3 till infinity. Third part 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16 till infinity. So in the solution of first part 8, 24, 72, in an arithmetic sequence A equal to 8. That is, this is A1, A2 and A3. And D equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to T3 minus T2. You should keep this formula in mind. So T2, that is, this is also called term 1, term 2 and term 3 till Tn, and this is till An. So T2 is 24 and T1 is 8, T3 is 72 and T2 is 24. So that is 16 not equal to 48. So it is not a arithmetic sequence, but it is a geometric sequence. So about geometric sequence we'll see in the next topic in detail, but for the time being we'll write the answer now. So R equal to T2 by T1, which is equal to T3 by T2. You should keep this formula in mind. So that is 24 by 8 equal to 72 by 24, which is 3 equal to 3. When I cancel it, it will become 3. So therefore it is a geometric sequence. Therefore the nth term of the GP, that is geometric progression, is Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. This formula also you should keep in mind. So therefore T4, that is I am substituting 4 in the place of n. I will get A, that is 8 into R is, we have found 3, now only we have found, and n is already you know 4 minus 1, which is 8 into 3 power 3, which is 8 into 27, and that is equal to 216. So T5 equal to 8 into 3 power 5 minus 1, that is n minus 1 is 5 minus 1, and 8 into 3 power 4, which is 8 into 81, which is equal to 648. So T6 equal to 8 into 3 power 6 minus 1, which is 8 into 243, which is 1944. So the next three terms are 8, 24, 72, 216, 648, 1944. So the next subdivision 5, 1, minus 3 till infinity. D equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to T3 minus T2. So 1 minus 5 equal to minus 3 minus 1. That is, this is T1, T2 and T3. Term 1, term 2 and term 3. So minus 4 equal to minus 4. Therefore it is an AP. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is An formula, but An is also known as Tn. You already know that. So T4 equal to 5 plus 4 minus 1, that is 3 into minus 4. That is now only we found D minus 4. So that is equal to 5 minus 12, which is minus 7. So T5 equal to A plus 4D, which is equal to 5 plus 4 into minus 4, which is 5 minus 16, that is 11. That is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, if we put n as 5, then n minus 1 will become 4D. That is 4 into D. If we put 6 in the place of n, we will get 5D. So this is the same formula, but I have written in a short way. You can write this way or that way, anyone. Okay, don't confuse, these are at different types. So T6 equal to A plus 5D. So 5 plus 5 into minus 4, which is 5 minus 20, that is equal to minus 15. Therefore the next three terms are 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, minus 15. So the third part 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16 till infinity. Here An, that is numerators are natural numbers and denominators are squares of the next numbers. That is, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So natural numbers, numerators are natural numbers in ascending order till infinity, and this is nothing but 2 square. After 1 it is 2, so 2 square. After 2 it is 3, so 3 square is 9. After 3 is 4, so 4 square is 16. After 4 is 5, where 5 square is 25. So after 5 is 6, where 6 square is 36. After 6 is 7, and 7 square is 49. So like this it will continue till infinity. So in second question, find the first 4 terms of the sequences whose nth term are given by. We are given the nth term and we should find the first 4 terms of the AP. So first part is given that An equal to n cube minus 2. Second part An equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1 into n plus 1. So third part is An equal to 2n square minus 6. So solution of first part, Tn equal to An, that is equal to n cube minus 2. I already told you that Tn and An are equal. So A1 equal to 1 cube minus 2, that is equal to 1 minus 2. 1 cube is 1 and minus 2 is minus 1. So A2 is, I am substituting 2 in the place of n here. I will get 2 cube minus 2, which is 8 minus 2, 6. So A3 equal to 3 cube minus 2, 25. A4 equal to 4 cube minus 2, 62. Therefore, the first 4 terms are minus 1, 6, 25 and 62. So the second question, An equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1 into n plus 1. That is, you can see that when we put 1 in the place of n, we will get minus 1, then n plus 1 is 1 plus 1 and n in the place 1, and here too n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, it is 2. So A1 equal to 2, A2 equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 cube, that is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So this is plus 1 and plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 into 6, which is minus 6. So A3 is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So this is plus 1 and this is plus 1. Plus 1 into plus 1 is 1 only. Then 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 into 4, that is 12. So 1 into 12 is plus 12. So A4 is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So this is plus 1 and this is also plus 1, this is minus 1. So plus 1 into plus 1 is 1 and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So it will become minus 1 and 4 into 4 plus 1, that is 4 into 5, which is 20. So it will become minus 20. Therefore the first 4 terms are 2, minus 6, 12, minus 2 till infinity. So the third subdivision is An equal to 2n square minus 6. So A1 equal to, I am putting 1 in the place of n, I will get 2 into 1 square minus 6, that is 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. A2 equal to 2 into 2 square minus 6, which is 2. A3 equal to 2 into 3 square minus 6, which is 18 minus 6, which is 12. A4 equal to 2 into 4 square minus 6, which is 32 minus 6, which is 26. Therefore the first 4 terms are minus 4, 2, 12, 26 till infinity.